Hi everyone, it's Barbara Campbell. I have a new song, Spiritual Man. And I dedicate this to our Father. I'm talking about a spiritual man. I'm talking about a man who carries the Bible in his hand. I'm talking about a confident walking man. Proud black man. I'm talking about a spiritual man. I'm talking about a man who carries the Bible in his hand. I'm talking about a confident man. I'm talking about a confident walking man. I'm talking about a proud black man. Everybody coming up, it's my new song. This is a sneak preview into The Spiritual Man, written by Barbara Campbell and our star. Coming to you from Brooklyn, New York, independent digital music creator here. I'm so thankful and thrilled. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Thank you. Till then, you count your matter, stay in Brooklyn. Spiritual Man, proud black man.